Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Kivan Keys. Today I'm going to show you how to make, or you're going to learn how to make a crispy and spicy French fries recipe. Very easy step-by-step tutorial. So the recipe ingredients includes potatoes, oil, salt to taste, turmeric powder, garlic powder, and egg yellow food coloring. So as you can see, we've already peeled off and sliced the potatoes. Now I'm going to spread this towel on my tray so that I get to dry my potatoes that I've already peeled. So we're going to dry them, actually to remove the excess water. We don't want it with water. So let's get to drying them just a little. Make sure your kitchen towel is clean. So let's keep drying them. So after we're done, we're going to take the potatoes that I've already dried and transfer them back to the tin. So by transferring them back to the tin means we want to spice them up. So as I had mentioned earlier, we're going to use um, turmeric, garlic, and egg yellow food color. So here we are. That's the potatoes I've splitted. I don't know what to call it, but I know I've splitted them. Yeah. So here we are. That's what you have. Then we are going to go in with turmeric powder. So you'll use the amount you want. Okay, as I know, mi upima na macho. Yeah. Then you're going in with the garlic powder. I'm trying to actually mix them up with my fork, but then I don't think if it's doing a good job. So I'll set that aside. Then I'll use my hands. Since my hands are actually clean, I'd washed them. So let me just add a little bit more of turmeric. I feel it's not enough. Then you're going in with the egg yellow. It's a food coloring, actually just to give it a bit of more yellow. The turmeric actually gives you the color, but not too much. So I'll add in the egg yellow food color. So just a little, we don't need too much of it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so here we are. We've already mixed up the spices so that it reaches every part of the fries. So here I have my oil in the pan, and here we are. The oil is already hot, so we are going to place in the fries that I've already spiced. So that's the first one we're going to place inside. Then we get to add the rest. So as you can see, our fries are already frying. Yeah, I'm saying it's frying because you're using oil only. I don't know what I should call that though. Yeah.
One eternity later.
So here we are. The fries are done. They've actually cooked. They are well cooked. They're so crunchy, as you can see. They're very, very crunchy. I wish you guys were here. You'd get the aroma coming from this pot. Like you can smell, you can feel the garlic smell. Can you really feel? No, you can get the smell. Yeah, you can get the smell from this. It has the garlic. That garlic is actually having too much of it. Like you can feel it. You can see it's golden and so well fried. So we're going to just remove them and place them into our bowl. A few of them served in my plate, and that's exactly what you're going to do with the rest. I'm gonna taste of the remaining fries on your behalf. So I'm going to actually this is what we should cook off the call gas after I'm done you removing this. Yeah, so I just from the oil, but you guys are gonna eat it. But then you're going to eat it with your eyes while I taste them on your behalf. Wow, this is kind of funny. So here we are. Though guys, I can tell you for sure these fries already amazing. Place them inside my bowl. Coming from this. So I'm going to have a few. I can't explain. Yeah. So let me just serve it to my plate, so then you guys can see me taste it on your behalf. My voice. Yeah, so here we are. I've already served it. I've served it. So I'll add in my tomatoes. I'm actually a lover of hot and sweet sauce, so that's what I'm going to use. Yeah, so let me just put that aside. So here we are. I'm doing that so that I'll how to taste this meal. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this recipe video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Kindly subscribe, comment, and share.